Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth scroll effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, we need to create a video collage using CapCut. You can click on new project, and then here I'm just going to use videos from CapCut library. I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to select this one, and then also this one. Okay, then we can click on collage, and then you can choose the ratio, and I'm gonna go with this one and click on continue. Okay, and then I'm going to make all these videos have the same duration. I'm going to cut the video at this part. Okay, right, and then we can click on export to export this video. And after that, you can create one more video collage, but I'm just going to use the video collage I have just created before. We can click on new project and add the video collage. This is my first video collage, and then go to overlay, add overlay, and choose the second video collage. Okay, then you can zoom in like this to fit the screen, and we're going to use keyframe to create a smooth scroll effect. Tap on the first video, add keyframe, go to the end part of your video, and then you can move it up like this until it's almost out of frame. Okay, and select the second video, go to the end part, add keyframe, go to the beginning, and you can move it down like this until it's out of frame. Wait guys, I'm going to adjust the position. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Wait, I'm going to make it tedier. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a smooth scroll effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.